Hey, what's going on, Beowulf Nation? It's I'm Beowulf, back at it with another video. I'm in my 2018 Sea Doo RXP X 300. Now, if you're not aware, and you're from different parts of the United States, South Carolina, all the public boat ramps are closed. Now you're wondering, Beowulf, how are you out on the water? I did my searching. There's only one place to get in. It is not public, it's private. And I'm in the water, and I'm happy to be on the water. I'm in a whole different area than I would normally ride. Now the crazy thing, so technically I'm in saltwater already. So I'm on the intercoastal way down, or way up north. Now that swing bridge you can see out in the distance, the guy who did majority of all my tattoos was telling me over the winter that somebody spotted a tiger shark all the way past that swing bridge. So a little down that ways is that first area where it's a real steep boat ramp where I go down. So that's why there's definitely a lot of sharks here. If you actually search South Carolina bull sharks, or bull shark, go and search on YouTube, South Carolina bull shark, you will see that these bull sharks, as soon as something flaps out of the water at the surface, they take it right off. People are fishing, pull fish out of the water, and the bull shark just takes it, gone.
Oh, he's got no line. That wheel line.
Oh shit! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh, is it on my pole?
It's on mine, it's on mine! Get it! Son of a bitch, it's a shark!
It's a shark! A shark! It's a big ass shark!
Definitely, this spot is the only spot to go to until the public boat ramps open. I will not take the stand up here because I have a steel trailer. I don't want to ride the stand up in salt water. Probably the biggest thing is I have a steel trailer. I don't want my trailer to rust apart. I don't even like taking my aluminum one here is because I had to get all my wiring redone because saltwater wrecked it all up with the corrosion. So alright, I'm on the wake zone. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. I'm Beowulf. I do jet ski videos. I have a second YouTube channel that has everything else non-related to jet ski, of me riding jet skis, as Beowulf Nation. Make sure to give a subscribe to that, and also subscribe to I'm Beowulf, the channel you're watching right now. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification, be notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Enough talking, I'm out, and I can't believe I'm on the water. So no more talking, it's time to start riding. can't be out past dark. So I'm kind of looking at the light. I don't have my phone packed away. If you want to see some ocean fun, I'm literally almost at the ocean. I'm not going out there far because I am not dressed for riding in the ocean. Also too, I like wearing a helmet because I don't want to hit the handlebars. I've seen videos where somebody flew not that big of a wave and then cut his whole face open like with a knife like this from the handlebars. And the guy, luckily there's other people, and but he was face first down in the water. So definitely I do not recommend riding in the ocean by yourself. And also too, where I'm going, there was last summer for around 4th of July, somebody was in the exact same ski like mine, same year, and got really hurt flying off, and DNR found him face first in the water too, in the area where I'm going. So always be careful. People may really want to see some ocean video, and I want to take the Yamaha tomorrow if I can get out, but I'm going to go out today in this. Also too, anybody is from the area where I'm at in Myrtle Beach, and I know that a lot of people live on the Intercoastal Waterway and have private boat ramps, meaning it's on their property or where they live that is private. DM me on Instagram. I am _ Beowulf. I'm looking because it's spots to go to, because this is going to be a long-term thing of like the public boat ramps are going to be closed. I like to be a little farther down the Intercoastal with taking out the stand-up. And also too, I don't like going to the ocean because the carbon seals go bad on this, so I don't want to jinx myself, but this is kind of, I'm not dressed. Usually I go in the ocean, I wear a wetsuit unless it's super hot, but because you get close to the ocean, the temperature's changing. Earlier was 85 and I can already feel a breeze. It's not bad, but definitely I'm not prepared, but I'll take you guys on a quick ocean ride. I'll head up in there, jump a little ways, and then head back before it gets too dark. And actually too, it looks like a big storm's rolling in, so this is all kind of non-intelligent things to be doing. And then I'm also in this long no wake zone. This is why I don't like traveling farther up the Intercoastal this way, because there's just so many no wake zones. Also too, be safe with this whole coronavirus thing. This is no joke. You know, don't be going out unless you have to. I like to make videos for you guys, entertain you guys, because I know a lot of people throughout the world, in Europe, other parts of the country, especially in the United States, they like watching the videos and entertain you. So I was like really happy to get out. I've been getting a little depressed. I couldn't ride. I can imagine all my other subscribers would feel the same way. So I'm really excited to be out. Also too, really nervous because probably when those tow services won't be available if something happened. And yeah, I'm heading to the ocean. This is all non-intelligent things to be doing. So check it out. Big giant casino. Not paid advertising. I've been watching the Ozarks. I just started watching. I watched like all 3 seasons really fast, and my parents and my brother are real into it. So I'm thinking of this, and it's not the ferry boat or not the steamboat, but it's pretty close. 2 casino boats. I think these are only casino boats in the area, Myrtle Beach. I've never been on them. I'm not a real big gambler. I'm already gambling up. Taking my life out to some places is probably not the most intelligent thing to do. So I have enough rolling the dice what I'm doing right now. So. And also too, I think these are cold or closed. I'm cold and closed. Maybe we'll see some dolphins. I don't know what we'll see. I have this big thing. I do not approve of riding a sea-doo in the ocean. So just because I don't like the whole carbon seal thing. And the crazy thing, I'll do a whole video talking about that, because I guess all the newer ones and all the existing, if you had to replace your carbon seal, they have a bunch of issues. I'll be doing a whole video talking all about that, because I think a lot of people find that kind of interesting. Man, this no wake zone is just so far. Oh, look at it. It's all the way. See, you can see the green sign. It's past that. And there's a storm coming. Oh man. We gotta get moving.
Stick, we gon' get high with me, that's a deal, right? right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop. So I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In the yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Yeah, with the whole well, need 100 million on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard and I'm still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide.
that storm's really coming in. You could see, I didn't really want to stop that fast when I was out there in the ocean, but you could see that storm was pounding on the beach. The other crazy thing too is well, two crazy things. I don't like jumping waves with this mouthpiece in my mouth. I feel like I'm gonna break my teeth out of my mouth. And I like wearing my helmet. It was just like the helmet's nice because then I don't have to worry about anything. And then the other crazy thing is all the public beaches are all closed too. So unless you live on the ocean front, you can't even get on the public beach. It's really crazy. Now I was looking, it's farther inwards into South Carolina, the boat ramps are owned by the United States government, not by the state. They're controlled by the Army Corps Engineers, and they're all open. So it's just this Governor McMaster, I think that's his name. He closed everything. He did this all crazy when there was Hurricane Florence. They thought it was this huge hurricane. He shut down stuff over a week before the hurricane even was here, which actually makes absolutely no sense. Maybe a couple days beforehand, over a week beforehand, where everything was closed. You couldn't buy anything. Every store was closed. That's what's kind of scary. This whole coronavirus is like what his agenda is up to. That who knows what. I mean, he might shut down everything and then you can't even buy food. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. But man, it's nice to be out riding. Alright, on that no wake zone, let's have a little fun before bringing her in. Storm is still coming. But I know in the past too, there's Cherry Grove Pier, which is pretty much probably like right to the left of me. And that pier, I forgot what year it was, but I think at one period of time, or if it's still a record, they caught the largest tiger shark ever recorded. I'm not sure, I think it was in the 80s, 90s. I don't know, you'd have to Google it, but I know that for a fact. That was when the the largest ones caught there. So this is pretty much like, I think right when you get up to here is when this is now considered more freshwater. So I'm just running this thing a little up here before I head back the other way where I had my secret spot to get out. Plus I want to get all the little salt water off me and off the ski. Just kind of run it, even though this is closed loop cooling, it's still through the exhaust and all that. I do not run the flush thing on this anymore because of, you can have an issue with the carbon seal. Then it's just, that's my best advice if you don't have a carbon seal issue, is that. So I'm just heading past this swing bridge, which is another no wake zone. It's just literally no wake zone after no wake zone. That's kind of why I don't like traveling up. That's why you kind of see my videos. I kind of stay in one spot because I don't, this is all just sucking time going through here. So that's why I try to avoid not going to these kind of places. But I'm almost out of this no wake zone. You know, get a little wet. The temperature's changing. It's so weird. I was cold, now I'm warm. And I think it was a lot of it is the storm was coming through. And I can feel the warmer air now since the storm majority is over there. That's just kind of weird. It's kind of like really kind of follow the weather and look at the radar. I was following the radar. I listened to the radio here. They said about scattered 20% chances rain, which I was shocked. And then I pulled up on my Jeep SRT the radar, and I was looking at the radar and then saw that there was a storm, which I thought was ways away from here, which it still kind of technically is. And I'm hoping tomorrow that I could go take out the Yamaha and get a little ride in it too, because then this weather's bipolar. It's like super hot, now almost 90 degrees, and then it's going to drop down to the 60s, and then some rain and stuff. It's kind of just weird of how this weather constantly changes. What's this place? Oh, so all these cottages, it's what they're called. They have their own private dock. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, this place is pretty booming too. It's closed. It's sad what's all going on. Whew. Man, you can tell the tide really rose here. You can look at the number marking. That's why I kind of show you guys in other videos when I'm way down the Intercoastal other way, how different areas of it flooding. So I think now this is the high tide, so the tide is higher. You can see I can literally almost touch this swing bridge. So like past this swing bridge, like I was saying earlier in the video, the tiger shark was spotted actually past this, which is totally crazy because this is fresh water now, what we're in. That's what's kind of wild. With this all going, this kind of makes me wish I had a piece of property on the water. The hard thing though is even if you had a piece of property on the water, you got all these public boat ramps are closed, so you couldn't even get on the water unless you kept your stuff on the water. It's kind of crazy what's all going on. But we're almost out of the snow wake zone. But the crazy thing, give real credit to these people who operate 24/7 these swing bridges. They have to work no matter what, because you never know what's traveling through the intercoastal waterway. So give them real props for those people, especially first responders, nurses, doctors, people work. Anybody has to be working, dealing with people right now. Man, be safe, and I give you total props for doing that kind of stuff, because it's not everybody could do that. So we're out of the snow wake zone, and let's cool up. I'll turn the trim all the way down. Look at this duck. The duck's probably like, oh man, I gotta get out of here. He's like, what is this guy doing? Oh. It's like I jumped in. What's up, duck? What's up, duck? Come on, duck. Come on, duck. I'll give you a ride. Duck's like, no. Nada.